Thank you, Madam Chair, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Muhammad Abdullah and I'm a member of Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front. Aceh is located in the northern tip of island of Sumatra and has around 6 million inhabitants. Aceh has been in military conflicts with Indonesia for more than 4 decades since 1976. In the wake of tsunami, December 2004, the Free Aceh movement in Indonesia signed a peace deal in August 2005 that ended the 30 years military conflict that killed around 50,000 civilians. 15 years now have passed. Despite promise by Indonesian government, the authorities have shown little interest in addressing past injustice. They have completely failed in their duty to provide truth, justice, and full reparations to tens of thousands of the victims. Speaking on online hate speech, in Indonesia, you have the ITE law, which was passed in April 2008. This law is meant to regulate an exchange of information and other electronic transactions. Practically, it deals entirely with what is allowed and prohibited on the internet. Indonesia has also other legal products to deal with the subject, namely criminal law book, KUHP, in which the terms makar. These articles, along with the ITE law particularly, this defamation article can sometimes be used and misused to silence political opponents. Madam Chair, digital media are growing fast and are challenging, particularly in Indonesia, where there are still many problems with the legal systems. Many laws and regulations are in conflict with each other, and because their legal system sometimes does not operate effectively. Furthermore, the rules of law in Indonesia is often undermined by rift corruptions among the nation judiciary and law enforcers. Thank you for your attention.